Okay, this is one of my favorite segments. This is the Romance Review, where I will be reviewing movies and restaurants and books. And this week I have reviewed a movie that's coming out, a Warner Brothers movie that comes out October 8th. It's called Life as We Know It. It's with Katherine Heigl and Josh Duhamel, and I think it's adorable. It's about two people who meet each other and they can't stand each other, but they get thrown together because of their godchild. Well, unfortunately, the godchild's parents die, so anyway, they end up having to raise this kid, and of course, they fall in love. It's a great date night movie, and I highly recommend it. So we have some free passes for you. If you go on Facebook or Twitter, there's going to be a screening at Valley View Cinema this Monday, October 4th at 7:30. So join us at CanYouRelateTV.com, and we'll see you on Facebook and Twitter. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.